Our E string, first fret. Fretted 12th fret note and open string. So we'll do one last check on the bar. I don't know, key of F. Okay, so I've looped that, or something similar, and I'll just blow over that for a second. Same progression in a different key, so we'll pick D major this time through. So I'm playing 1, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. And the reason I do that is that one chord progression takes in all the diatonic chords of any given key. Okay, so here's the same progression in D major. So I'll play over that. So this is sort of a groove that my buddy came up with at practice there, last couple of practices, kind of a D harmonic minor thing. Felt that those close intervals, like a ninth, really tell the story as far as intonation goes. So I'll just start with, I'm playing a tenth on the bottom, and then I'm reaching for that second. The distance between this note and this note is a second or a ninth. And this customer really has a handle on harmonic mechanisms. He's really going to dig the fact that this thing is perfectly in tune and I've looped this progression here, and I'll play a series of tenths in a different position on the neck, different strings, in harmony with this, so you really get a sense of the layers of accurate intonation.